Hi everyone, I'm Lynn. Welcome to SeniorEBiker. Today we're going to do a quick little video with a tour around my e-bike, the Himiway Zebra. This is a fat tire e-bike, 26-inch by 4-inch Kenda tires. Comes standard. Has a 750 watt motor. Battery capacity is 20 amp hours. It's a 48 volt system. It has a half throttle, half handlebar turn throttle to make the bike go. It's a 7-speed Shimano shifter, which is pretty normal for e-bikes. It comes standard with front and rear fenders and also bike rack, as you see here. It has front and rear integrated headlight and tail light, so the tail light actually lights up when you hit the brakes. And speaking of brakes, it has Tektro hydraulic brakes, 180 millimeter discs. This is a step-through model, so it comes in white and black, as you can see. Now, some of the accessories that I've put on it is obviously a water bottle cage and water bottle. This particular brand is Bike Mate. It's from Aldi Groceries. It's about a 32 ouncer, nice and big. I also have a Bikeroo extra padded seat, and this is their outdoor model because of the springs as opposed to the rubber springs with it. I have a Rock Brothers pannier bag. As you can see, you can attach stuff on top. It's got a little pocket here. It's got stretch. This particular configuration I have here is into 3 different compartments, but these dividers are removable if you like. Also has a small little compartment up here, small little stay. This is expandable, so if I unzip this part here, you can see it does expand, so it makes it a little bit bigger. Let's carry a little bit more stuff if you like. It has an integrated water bottle holder back here too, with a D-ring. It does come with a shoulder strap, so 2 D-rings here in the front and back, so you can actually carry it over your shoulder, take it off the bike, and take it with you if you like. And then on either side, you do have this area here that you can store stuff, but it also expands into panniers, so I can open this up zippered and fit stuff in there. I can tie it down so that it doesn't bounce, and you have basically a pannier, one on either side. Apologize for my one-handedness here. Also have a half-knee bike mirror on the side there. I think that's very, very important for seeing behind you when you're riding. Especially for older riders where it's a little bit more difficult to turn around, a little bit less flexibility as we get older. That is great to be able to see what's behind you. Well, this cell phone holder actually came with the bike, one of the accessories, along with the fenders and the bike rack. Came with the bike. I also have a headlight here, which is different. This is the integrated light here that runs off of the battery for the bike, and the battery's stored right here, by the way, keyed right here, and you charge the bike with the battery installed right there if you like, or you can also charge it off, take it into the house if you like. But I also have this light here that I use because it flashes. Again, for safety and visibility, which I think is very, very important for any rider. It has quite a large LCD display. Turn it on right here, you can see the display. It is multifunction. So it's a odometer, it's a trip meter. It can give you max miles per hour, or the average miles per hour, things of that nature. And of course tells you your pedal assist level. I have this particular bike set up from 0 to 5, or sorry, 0 to 7, as you see. You can see the number 7 in the top right corner there. The nice thing about the Himiway bikes is that it is adjustable, so you can go, it comes at set up 5 pedal assist levels, but you can change that to 7 or up to 9, and also you can set it up so that there is always a pedal assist. So in other words, when it comes 0 to 5, 0 meaning there's no pedal assist, the motor isn't working at all, up to 5 level. Same way with 7, you can go 0 to 7 and 0 to 9. But with the Himiways, you can also go 1 to 5, 1 to 7, and 1 to 9, which means you always have pedal assist. The motor will always be working whenever you touch the pedals. And of course, the Himiway bikes come with their own bell. One of the other accessories I have on this bike is a 90-degree bike stem, adjustable. This is the Suking brand. Goes from 0 to 90 degrees. So here is 90 to 180 if you wanted to bring it up. And what this does is this brings the handlebars up to a more upright riding level. And then lastly, on this e-bike and all my other e-bikes, I have a chain stay, kind of a DIY. It's a self-adhesive tape that you can purchase from Harbor Freight, and it's $3.49, I believe it is what the retail for 10 feet, and that's good for all 3 of my e-bikes, plus obviously there's leftover so that I can rewrap or make any repairs. And what the chainstay does is it will help keep your bike nice for especially when you're riding around with the derailleur. It will sometimes move obviously with you, and the chain has a tendency to hit the chainstay here. And what this wrap does is to make it so that the paint doesn't chip, it doesn't scratch, and keep your bike nice. It also helps dampen any noise that the chain bouncing off your bike would make also, so it keeps it a little bit quieter. Well, that's a quick tour of my Himiway Zebra fat tire e-bike. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Lynn. This is SeniorEBiker.